Hey everybody, one of the things I see on a regular basis, and the national statistics show that 30% of the people that get into a car accident take the money and run. Much like the Steve Miller song, take the money and run. Not always a good idea. If you have a very old car, probably not a bad idea. But if you have a car that's newer and still worth any amount of value, this is not what you want to be doing. And here's the reason why. What insurance companies are doing now is they're doing photo apps and pictures of the damage, and then you send that to them, and they send you an estimate, and most of the time they'll send you a check. They want you to cash that check, because by cashing that check, they're going to save anywhere from 40, 50, 60, 70% on the claim. We are commonly repairing vehicles that had an initial estimate written of $1,000, and we're repairing the vehicle, and the total repairable is $6,000 or $7,000, as you can see in this example. It's really easy for the insurance company to leave that money off, because if you cash the check, they save all that money. But here's what I want you to know. At the end of the day, there's no such thing as free money. If you take that $1,000 and don't fix your car, at some point you're going to sell your car or you're going to go trade it in. Well, the reality is you still have $6,000 worth of damage on your car, even though the insurance company only paid you $1,000. So by spending that $1,000 and doing something else with it, you're giving up that other $5,000. At some point, you will pay for that. So this is a word to the wise. If you cash out, there's going to be a price to pay somewhere down the road. Be safe and have a great summer.